Hey guys, welcome in. Today I'm excited. We are doing a squishy little mini dumpling on here. So this should be a pretty easy step-by-step. I'll start out with some basic shapes, probably about the size of my hand in the middle here.
You can customize it and decorate it however that you want. Let's start with the little kind of where it comes up to a point.
Goes out to the side, curves on one side as best as you can. Mirror that on the opposite side, a little bit more round and flat at the bottom. I'll go over that a little bit darker. Nice, that looks good. Doesn't have to be perfect because of course they are squishy.
You have some of those imperfections at the top of it then, almost like I guess a stretched out M.
Up again. Right under that, a little bit smaller. 3 little bumps. And then those will stretch out and kind of highlight around the side here. Okay, I'll go over that a little bit darker now. Nice, good. Now it's starting to look like that. I'm gonna go over this in Sharpie and thinking about if you want to put a face on yours, you can, or different emoji, and then of course what color yours is gonna be. Over that with Sharpie, go through that real fast. All right, that looks nice. Now it is time to make it into whatever you want. So let's make a little magic happen. We can do the flip trick. So just like this. All right, ready? Burn. All right, as usual, turned out awesome. I used a whole bunch of tools and supplies, 2 color pencils, crayons, a couple different markers, and I thought it turned out great. This is my first time definitely doing one of these. So hopefully you guys can have some fun and customize and create your kind of background and coloring style that you want. So as always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's art class. We'll talk to you guys later.